Amaravati, the planned capital city of the state of Andhra Pradesh, is conceived as a sustainable, future-oriented urban development offering the highest quality of life for its inhabitants. As the largest exercise of its kind in India to date, land pooling for Amaravati has evolved almost 30,000 farmers in 29 villages, voluntarily contributing over 30,000 acres of development land for the city. This vision encompasses developing 9 economic-themed cities, each designed to specialize in a specific sector, decentralizing growth, fostering economic development, and by 2050 is projected to have a population of 3.5 million people and a GDP of $3.5 billion. An eco-friendly city with extensive green spaces and renewable energy integration, with a focus on low-carbon urban planning, efficient resource management, pollution control, and disaster resilience, it will be a model green city and a sustainable urban environment. The core of the city, the Amaravati Government District, master plan by Foster and Partners, an architect Hafiz contractor, is founded on compact, high-density, mixed-use principles, ensuring that all the necessities of daily life can be met within a 15-minute walk. Amaravati's 30% blue-green network integrates waterways and lakes, referring to the great river Krishna and promoting a healthier, cooler, and a more livable environment. The individual city quarters will have a strong sense of identity and functional purpose, creating strong attraction centers around vital social, civic, and economic themes. The 7-kilometer Amaravati Government District will feature a lush green park at its heart. This extensive green oasis stands as the physical and symbolic identity of the nascent capital, echoing the sustainable design principles and urban health ambitions informing the city development plans, while also providing a powerful setting for the key government institutions placed at the center of this new civic community. The legislature stands proud, an icon for the state and a symbol of the future, with viewing decks and a museum open to the public. The High Court is a democratic and cultural landmark for the people. Elegant horizontal fins and open roof provide natural ventilation and protection from the rain and sun. 5 graceful towers form the Secretariat and government heads of department, surrounded by public squares and the natural environment. The linear park reflects and responds to design considerations such as celebrating water as a central life-enhancing element, strengthening the biodiversity of the area to inspire and educate future generations. Sustainability by design, a green urban haven for everyone. Amaravati, grounded in history, looking towards the future.